Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this Midnight Magic palette. I'm going to start with this purple color right here. Oh wow, that's really dark. This is going to be a little bit smoky. And I'm taking the same brush I used last week, that's the blue, well, 2 weeks ago. And I'm going to dip it in this burgundy color. I don't know if it's going to give me a more purple color, but that's what I want to try. Well, the purple is, the blue is definitely changing that, but it looks just like, almost like the lid color. So, okay, I'm gonna dip it in the black glitter, which we already know it's just gonna be black. Okay, just define and differentiate that a little bit. I'm using the same one again, just kind of like blend it out a little bit. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm gonna see how this color right here looks as a highlight. Let's see. Oh, okay. That works. I'm going to use the same color for the inner corner. Brighten that inner corner up a little bit. Let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. I totally forgot that I wanted to try out the purple Physicians Formula. So I did add that after. I totally forgot about that. I love it because it really brightens up the eye with the metallicness. Before I just felt it was a little bit too smoky, and I would have loved to have put on false lashes, but I have so many things to do today. I wasn't gonna. It takes me at least 20 minutes to put on fake lashes, and I just wanted to talk about some things today. So I didn't deal with that. So the metallic eyeshadow helped me not wearing false lashes. Then I used Sweet, which is the darker mauve. These things taste really good. From the Physicians Formula, the watermelon glosses. And then just the Fair Trade Coffee blush, contour, and highlight from Wet n Wild.